content because this one is on fire. I'm talking about a company by the name TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe, that's the name of the company. If you want to access this website, the link is in the description. Now, when I'm talking about this company, it's good to know they are a transcription website dealing with legals, medicals, and research, and anything related to many AI, not AI, but transcription opportunities. Now, first of all, one reason I want to say I'm choosing them is because they are now hiring and their pay rate is so good, $15 to $22. Now, this is not one of the videos that somebody will say that this is a clickbait. No, this is serious, and I want you to take it that way, okay? Because actually they have two teams. We have the top team, and also we have the higher team, okay? So if you get luck and pass the exam, you'll be taken in the within the two teams. Now, let's leave the teams first of all, and let's go to the website. And before we begin, it's good to understand you need to access the website through the link is in the description, or you can just simply go to Google and write Transcribe Me. They are hiring all over the world, and they're looking for legal transcriptionists. Legal transcriptionists. So that means anything related to law, and they are going to train you actually. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in India, don't you worry, they will be able to hire you for this opportunity. Now, opportunities like this don't come all the time. Actually, let me now show you. If you select, like for example, for me, I'm in Kenya. If I select my country, you can see it is there. So this one means you don't need a proxy. So for those who always ask me about proxies, for this one you totally do not need a proxy. Now, this is a welcome message, okay? This is the welcome message, and the message is saying, thank you for registering. We are excited to have you here. We are currently recruiting and training transcriptions to join our legal transcription team, where there is virtually unlimited work available to qualified transcriptionists. Understand or underline virtually unlimited work, okay? To begin the process, you will first need to complete legal pre-qualification exam, and that pre-qualification exam is the one that is going to grant you access to that account. Now, this one you better go study it slowly so that you understand. Of course, I'll make another video and try to explain these rules to you, so that in case you read and you don't understand, maybe if you watch the video you will understand. Now, they are saying that to help you succeed, we have provided resources and study materials, and the materials include our legal styling guide, a detailed exam overview of what you're going to expect, okay? And then also details and guidelines to learn about legal transcription skills. It is very important to note the following, okay? Very important to note the following also, that if you check the exam link, you will find the materials there. So don't go around looking for the materials are there. And also, once you pass the legal exam, you'll be placed onto our legal probation team, where you'll be paid immediately or right away. So there is a probation team to just check how you are going to be doing that job, okay? And let me see if there is something else which is very catchy here. I think that's it. And then now let me click on the legal pre-qualification exam. There are also some guidelines there. They're saying legal pre-qualification exam. Welcome. Update. Now there is an update here. If you fail the exam, maybe you failed totally the exam, you have 14 days to retake it. And let me tell you something. Transcribe Me is back, and they are very serious. Before you do that exam, you must verify your details. That means you must upload an official identification or government issued ID or driving license or passport before doing the exam. I think they're doing this because they want to curb people who are fond of maybe creating multiple accounts, such like, okay? So you must, or maybe people who want to retake the exam after they fail immediately. So for that one, it's not acceptable. Go register. That is the first thing to do. After you create your account, your email, everything, go to my account. You'll be able to do the same. Upload your documents there to be verified. Now, they are calling it the Legal Phoenix Journey. Now, this legal pre-qualification exam is for the first. It is the first of the two exams that you must pass. Okay, along your path of joining the Legal Phoenix. A TranscribeMe QA or quality assurance team whose focus is to provide high quality transcription of legal proceedings. This exam will teach you the basics of our clean verbatim for legal style, preparing you to learn more complex legal styles. So actually, what also I loved is that the exam. Actually, let me take you through the exam. There's something I noticed there that the exam. Now, the legal pre-qualification exam is designed to test and verify that you have read and thoroughly understood the transcription rules and requirements covered in the clean verbatim for legal styles. Actually, for those who have done verbit, okay, if you've ever worked in verbit, rev, okay, there is something to do with clean verbatim for legal style guide. If you have that knowledge, then this is an opportunity for you. For me, it's just bringing these opportunities to you. I know it has been a while I've not been uploading, but also to motivate me. You know, this thing of uploading videos is not easy, but I always do this because I want also to empower somebody, give somebody an opportunity. Now, so go if you have this opportunity, you have those skills, and try. Now, for those who are beginning, we have the following exam sections. Number 1, we have the basic English. You will be tested your basic English, that is basic grammar. Number 2, there is a sample sentences whereby sentences given as a spoken with the option to choose which style is correct. Okay, and then we have something to do with the audios. There are a number of 4 audios that we're going to do. They're around 4 minutes each. Now, like Ecolabs, the test them is 3 sections, and there are 2 minutes. So for this one is 4 minutes, and each section you have been given at least you can relax. At least after each section you can relax. And then remember, if you fail a single section, you have one chance to retake it. If you pass all sections successfully, then the team will reach out, okay, to you. But in case you fail the entire section, you have 14 days to retry again, and after that, maybe although they have not written here, it may take you a long time. So guys, the legal document or the legal transcription is here for you. Please go transcribe me, try your luck. Who knows, maybe you may get this opportunity. And of course, you can now